Hey guys, quick video for you. What are some alternatives to AnyDesk that you can use? So first one is AnyDesk. So it's a fast open source remote access and support software that you can use. And this one is that you can actually like check out. And when you're gonna click here on the pricing, you see the free online status community support. So this is something that you can actually try. Now, another one is like Chrome remote desktop. So completely free to use with no hidden costs. Also, it runs on a Chrome. So this is something that you kind of like have to be aware of. Both computers must be also signed in the same Google account. Lacks many basic features. Now, this is something that you can try. Another one, Hop to Desk. So is free on both personal and business use, provides true end-to-end encryption for all peer communications, screen sharing, remote control, but is less polished interface comparing to AnyDesk. Also smaller user community, fewer enterprise features, less brand recognition. But Hop to Desk is like interesting one. Then WS, this is another one service. So is a web-based, allowing to access your machines from any device. Provides a free option, making it cost-effective choice. So this one is also another one that you can actually like check out for yourself. Maybe you like it. And of course, like the cons of it is that it's web-based, but right here you can see you can also install the agent right here, so you can download it. That's something that also is interesting to use. And also the Zoho Assist is also interesting one. So that's something that you can also check out. Remote support software. And it got like session limits. It's not like primarily free, but this is another one that you can try. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.